Creating a versatile room that can provide dual function in a small space is easy with a convertible sofa bar table. In this room, we went with a natural earth tone color palette, and we added a layer of classic, inviting blues. Behind the sectional is a sofa bar that easily converts into a full-size dining table for entertaining guests. And even while it's folded, the sofa bar gives a perfect view of the TV, and it provides lots of space for food and drinks. And the stools can easily be stacked to save space. The matching coffee table provides the same function, saving space when folded and providing lots of extra serving area and storage space. The large area rug adds comfort to a room and provides a nice contrast to the darker tones in the sofa and accessories. The blue in the entertainment center is coordinated with the wall art and helps add a pop of color to the room. And the greenery helps bring that outdoor feeling in. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.